Come on. Ah, jeez. Are you coming, Bradford? Come on. There we go. Good morning, guys. What is up? And welcome back to Fireside Farms. Ooh, I feel like it's really bright. A little bit breezy today. Slightly overcast and not windy, at least, because it's been super windy the past couple days. So we're gonna get some chores done. What are you doing in there? So I do want to do a little cleanup of the chicken run today. I'm going to do my weekly clean out of the inside of the coop, and then I'm going to be raking up all of these wood chips that are outside the fence because the girls like to peck them out of here. What are you doing? So I still have not fashioned some sort of stand for this to keep it open, mostly out of sheer laziness. But I also don't really need it. I mean, I use this rake and it works just fine. And it what's your issue? Shh. Shh. It only takes me about 10 minutes to clean out this coop anyways. So this coop was built. Girl, will you hush? Get out. So this coop was built with the idea that poop would fall through the bottom and wouldn't require any cleaning. Which it does for the most part, but it tends to build up and then obviously form little piles, as now they can't go through the grates on the bottom. In the future, for another coop build, which I'm sure we will build another coop as we continue to get more chickens, I'll probably think about going up a size bigger on this tack cloth or something. I'm not sure yet. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But for now, this is fine. It works just fine. So I picked this spatula up from the dollar store for, it was only $1. It's perfect. It works so great. I always forget to bring a mask out here when I do this. So I usually just end up holding my breath for most of it. You don't really want to breathe in chicken poop dust. Hey, that's not our property. Woo! Almost dropped you guys. There we go. I've seen some differing opinions on putting this hardware cloth or wire cloth on the bottom of a coop where chickens are walking on it. Some people state that it doesn't hurt the chickens at all, it's not an issue. Others say that it wears on their feet over time. I can see both sides. Frankly, my girls aren't in there long enough during the day. I mean, they're out all day long. And then when they are in there at night, they're on their roosts. That's my reasoning behind using cloth on the bottom, and even possibly going to a bigger size next time. But like I said, we'll just play it by ear. But I do want to try an experiment that I saw on another YouTube channel. I don't know a whole lot about it. I think I only saw one video. But Permapastures Farm put a tarp on the bottom and it collected the chicken poop. I kind of want to cut up a tarp today and do that. I'm not sure how the girls will react to the tarp in the coop though. That is something that I'm worried about. But we won't know till we try. This one's already beat up, so I'm not worried about it. So I'm thinking if I put this in the bottom of the coop and then put hay on top of it, it will not only catch their manure and then put it on a carbon source, but it'll be insulation in the cold, because with the blankets over the coop at night, the only weak point in my insulation is going to be the bottom that the air can flow out towards. So I'm gonna put this in here and then grab some hay and see how the girls like it. Those look perfect. Oh, that's awesome. That looks real nice. Look at how perfectly that fit. If these girls don't appreciate it, I'm gonna be really offended. So we have a bunch of spare 2x6s in the barn. Well, they help make up the barn, but that barn needs to be torn down. What I intend to do whenever we build our permanent chicken run and take these poultry nets down is just line the bottom of the fence with a 2x6 all the way around, so I won't have to do any of this raking up of mulch that they throw out of their pen like every day. Rhea, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. So I've got a question for all my subscribers who have chickens. Well, I don't know if anyone uses the deep litter method, but with the type of layer feed that I buy, it's like these beige, if I can get one, these beige pellets. And I've noticed, I think a lot of this food is going to waste because when the chickens scratch it out of here, they're dumb and they're blind and they lose the pellets in these wood chips because they're the exact same color. So I just want to know if anyone's had that problem before, because unless I can find a different colored feed, I don't want to be wasting half of my chicken feed to wood chips. I'm wondering if I just need to rake out the wood chips from the end of this run and leave it plain dirt and feed them over there so they can see the food when they drop it. Or maybe lay a big thing of cardboard down, but I mean, they'll tear that up, that'll break down. I think it'll I don't think the cardboard will work. So if anyone's got any ideas, that would be greatly appreciated if you could comment down below. All right, folks, got the hay. Let's go fill this chicken coop. Alright, the coop is all done. I'll have to keep you guys updated on how it goes. I think it might be a complete mess if they just get in there and completely tear up the tarp. That's very likely. But thank you all for joining me today. I will be using the hay I just got from my neighbors to show you guys how to test for persistent herbicides before you use it as mulch or in your compost. So that will be the upcoming video. But for now, I need to wash my hands, and I will catch you guys on the next one.